Make a great choice today with the 2020 Express 2500. The Chevrolet Express 2500 has soldiered on for nearly 4 decades with only one major redesign happening during that time. A rolling testament to the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" school of vehicle design. The Express offers a passenger van's timeless features of powerful engines and space, and even more space. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, trip computer, power door locks, power steering, tachometer, engine hour meter. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.